Hello, everybody. I'm Dr. Priyanka Garg. Today, the topic of discussion is summer season and health tips to keep yourself healthy, cool, and refreshing during this season. So, during summer season, you must have experienced you get drain out of your energy, which can make you prone to infections. You can feel nauseating, you can feel like vomiting, you can have headaches, heat strokes, you can feel tired, you can experience vertigo, etc. So how to keep yourself healthy? There are small few tips which can make you feel refreshing, cool, and healthy throughout your day. First thing is hydrate yourself. Hydrate yourself is very necessary to keep your body functioning properly. And hydrate yourself, you can hydrate yourself first through water. Yes, take lots of water. 1.5 to 3 liter minimum water is required throughout whole day. You can take more. Second, don't take iced chilled water. Take normal water. You can take fresh juices. Fresh juices made up of very refreshing fruits these days. Like watermelon, muskmelon, mango, oranges, etc. तो instead of taking canned processed juice, घर पे आप fresh juices बनाइए and take it. It will keep yourself cool and healthy. Second, eat regularly but light diet. I can understand people complaining कि डॉक्टर साहब अभी इन दिनों खाने का बिल्कुल मन नहीं करता, मुझे तो पूरा पूरा दिन भूखा रहने की इच्छा होती है. No, that is very wrong. Eating is must because your body requires nutrients to fight against heat. ओके तो आप छोटी छोटी डाइट लीजिए, थोड़े थोड़े इंटरवल में लीजिए, बट टेक लाइट डाइट. डोंट टेक फ्राइड फूड्स, हाई फैटी फूड्स. इट विल मेक यू सिक इन अ लॉन्ग रन. Okay, include more of summer fruits and vegetable in your diet. Include lauki, you can use mint, coriander, cucumber. Take more of fruits like watermelon, muskmelon, mangoes. Then you can take more of lemonades, slushes. अरे हमारी जो इंडियन ट्रेडिशन है अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें बनाने के, जैसे लाइक आम पना, यू कैन से छाछ, फिर हो गया हमारे घर का नींबू पानी. टेक ऑल ऑफ दीज आर वेरी रिफ्रेशिंग फॉर योर हेल्थ. ओके. थर्ड, प्लीज स्टे इनडोर्स बिकॉज टेम्परेचर इज सोरिंग these days. बाहर बहुत हीट है. यू कैन गेट ड्रेन आउट ऑफ योर एनर्जी, यू कैन हैव वाटर लॉस, you can have electrolyte imbalance, you can feel tired, you can faint, you can have nausea. So unless and until it is necessary, please don't go out. And if at all, if you go out, please use umbrellas, wear cap or hats, wear sunglasses, take a bottle of water along with you. These are small tips, but these are necessary for your health. After coming back, don't drink chilled water immediately. No, it is not good for your health. Don't sit in ACs. No, I can understand it is very difficult कि हम बाहर इतनी गर्मी से आए हैं और एकदम से आप बोल रहे हो कि एसी चालू ना करें. नहीं करना है आपको. 10 से 15 मिनट आपको पेशेंस रखना है. आप फैन के नीचे बैठ सकते हैं, बट एसी चालू मत कीजिए. बर्फ वाला पानी मत पीजिए. टेक रेगुलर वाटर. आप अपना रेगुलर वाटर पीजिए, नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर वाला. उसके बाद आप 10-15 मिनट के बाद आप कोल्ड वाटर ले सकते हैं. स्टिल आई विल नॉट प्रेफर यू शुड टेक आइस वाटर. कोल्ड वाटर इज ओके, बट नो आइस वाटर. Then after 15-20 minutes, you can maintain your AC temperature to 24 to 26 degree. Don't make it 18 degrees because it is not suggested. It can make you feel uncomfortable during long run. Okay. Then you can take cold showers. You can put your feet in cold water and sit for 5 to 10 minutes. You will feel very comfortable. You can use ice packs in your neck that will cool your body. You can sponge your body with a wet towel or something like that. It will cool your body. Okay. Then maintaining your room environment is very necessary. Maintaining your room environment means कि आप रूम में बैठे, बहुत तेज धूप है, बहुत ब्राइट लाइट्स है. नो, इट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. You have to maintain your room temperature. Make it pleasant. Make it summer cool. Like close your curtains during day hours जब बहुत ज़्यादा heat रहती है. Maintain your AC temperature properly. बहुत सारी लाइट्स चालू मत कीजिए कि बहुत सारे बल्ब जल रहे हैं. नो, उतनी ही लाइट्स रखिए जितनी रिक्वायर्ड है. ओके, देन now I'll come to your most important thing, clothing. Clothing is a must. अगर आप बहुत tight clothes पहनते हैं, synthetic कपड़े पहनते हैं, आपको बहुत, it will make you feel very uncomfortable. It will make you feel suffocating. It will you will sweat more in that. Don't do that. Wear cotton clothes, wear loose clothes, where your air circulation throughout body is proper. Okay, the cotton light cool clothes are preferable. You will feel comfortable. Wear comfortable clothes, that is more important. Synthetic, अभी थोड़े दिन के लिए synthetic कपड़े आपको अंदर रख देना है. Dark clothes नहीं पहने. जितना आप dark कपड़े पहनेंगे आप उतना गर्मी feel करेंगे. Okay, then we'll come to exercise part. Yes, exercise is must for your keeping your body healthy, but there are few tips during summer season that you should maintain. Like if you want to do walking, running or jogging outside, please do it in early hours of morning. Like do it till 7 a.m. because after that बाहर का temperature बढ़ेगा और जब आप कोई भी एक्सरसाइज करते हो वैसे ही आपकी एनर्जी कम होती है. एनर्जी, यू लूज एनर्जी, यू स्वेट. तो जितनी ज़्यादा धूप रहेंगी उतना ज़्यादा आपको और तकलीफ पड़ेगी. तो अगर आपको आउटसाइड एक्सरसाइजेस करना है तो यू हैव टू डू इट बिफोर 7 a.m. एंड इफ़ यू आर डूइंग इनसाइड एक्सरसाइज दैट इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर योर हेल्थ ड्यूरिंग समर सीजन. So do yoga, breathing exercises, and if you're doing muscle trainings, or what should I say, and if you're gymming, please do it at proper temperature. Drink water in between. A sip or two will do. You can have 1 or 2 sip of juice in between, but बहुत सारा पानी पी के फिर से exercise करना is no, a big no, because it will create problems. And keep yourself healthy, keep yourself hydrated, stay happy, keep smiling, keep yourself cool. And if you have any queries, I will be happy to answer. You can give comments on comment box. Please like and share if you like my video. Thank you.